Hi guys, you're welcome back to Gist TV, where you have your gist undiluted. So my country people, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. So if you have not subscribed, please subscribe to this beautiful channel where you'll be having your gist as it dey hot. The one we carry come meet to now about this handsome man, the sister of Fanny Kayode, former aviation minister. He don scatter internet because of the thing wey him talk. Make una pack well, sit down, make we talk about am. So we come talk. He say make we come go back for 20 years ago where the thing happen. He come say make they go investigate. He come say oga boo boo na him dey talk. Say make him go investigate the thing wey happen 20 years ago about MKO Abiola. He said make he go investigate in death. Make him investigate in death because he no say the man no die natural die at all. He say he die no be natural death. He say something there inside. He can't talk say it's true say they don't talk say na heart attack by the man no. As they don't talk say na heart attack by the man, say he no believe say na heart attack by the man. He say if it be kidney attack follow. You can't say if it be pancreas attack, all the entries attack, he say he follow inside. So make the go investigate the matter well and bring those people where do the do. Make them bring them to book. My country people. He can't talk say MKO Abiola, he said na papa of democracy. He said that man na baba dudu of democracy. Na the main democracy picture be MKO Abiola. He say love the man well. He said the man be like him papa. No be only that one he talk o. He talk say why they call annul the June 12th election. That one pen and well. He say why they are not. He say he knows everything don't cool down now. Make they come bring them back. He said which people, how many then they where they gather together, come do the plan, go annul the June 12th election. Where the man don't win and go, he don't win and well because the people don't talk say na their people, na their baba, na him be the main man. See people don't love and well. They come no be say, they pity am o. He say they go arrest her. After they do arrest her, they come put her inside prison. He said the man suffer inside prison. Come ask say wetin be crime. In crime be say people love am. In crime be say he win the election. He said that time, he say no, he vex well, but the thing don't come back again. You know, say my country, we get the time where something go do. That time where something happen, you know, vex you well. You know, vex you, but after the thing will come vex you. After you will come begin to talk about that thing again. Not be only that one, no. In wife, MKO wife, where be Zainab. The wife talk something about her husband. My country people, the woman say, na true say, in young well. Na true say, in young for marriage that time. Say marriage never even reach 1 year. He say, in with him husband, come they go Ibadan. As your wife now in there beside the husband, they happy. He says then they go Ibadan. As they travel, say he get other white people wey follow. He say they still there alive to today. He say get other people wey follow him. He say they still there alive today. So if he lie, make they come and come talk say he lie. So the woman come talk say, as in the chief wey be husband, a chief in they call him. As in the chief, for right hand and they waka for inside the motor as then they go now. They come meet hoodlums and robbers. They come meet them on the road, they can't jam them, bam bam. He said something shocker. He said, the driver come ask say, chief, make we they go back. He said, Abiola come talk say, no, which back? Make you they go front, make you they go. He say he come begin dey shiver. Even though Igbo people wey dey like say they come dey shiver. He say as they don dey reach the place where those armed robbers dey, the hoodlums dem dey. He say immediately when they see him husband, Chief MKO Abiola, he say immediately as they see him, they go shout, our man, our own man. You be our own man, you be Baba. Yeah. They can't drop their gun for ground. They can't prostrate for ground. They can't prostrate well. They say, you be our man, you be correct man. Now he can't tell them, say, this thing what they do now no be work. Say make they no do am again. They say, Baba, they no go do am again. He can't put hand inside pocket, can't give them money. As he give them money, the people where they don't hold hostage, come call am. Say, Baba, even we no get money, we go take travel. He come put hand inside pocket, give them plenty money. He say one of those hoodlums, he come promise them, say, make they call in house, he go train them for school, reach any level where they want. My country people, the woman say one of those hoodlums that time come be governor of Lagos State. Lagos State, he can't be one of governor of Lagos State. No be only that one. His other ones can't be hold better stand with Nigerian politics. Can't be House of Assembly. You see, two can't be member of House of Assembly. So two of them can't be member of correct member of House of Assembly. Anyway, na him family they come talk say no be only that one they go stop. Say then go search. Say make they also search the thing where by Abacha. Why Abacha come by immediately what about MKO Abiola by why they come Abacha come by? He come and they ask who buy these two people? Who buy these two people? He said those people who buy those people, you see, they still their life today. They still their life. He can say make boo-boo, make Oga boo-boo, make Baba boo-boo, make investigate the matter. He said as the matter don't take, say if it be now, where they go find out the thing, where buy those people, where they come tell and say na heart attack, they come talk say the other one say chop apple. Which apple? They say chop apple. So make they investigate who poisoned them, who buy them, how they come take buy. Now in Fani Kayode na in talk former aviation minister. In mouth they reach for anywhere where matter they reach. Now their mouth they reach. So the man don't talk say make them go investigate well. Make they investigate. Not be only that too. If they don't investigate, come see the people because he know say those people still there. They still there alive. They still there inside politics. They still they work inside politics. They still they talk inside politics. He can't say make them go bring all those things back. Make they come to put the matter for table. Come investigate. And if they don't find out any one of them will follow by MK Abiola and will follow by Abacha, say make them bring them to book. Now so in talk, he said make them not stop only there. Make they also publicize them so that all the people when no say they don't commit bad sin for all time. Say they no say make they get out inside their mind. Say time shall come. Time shall come where all the frog where they lie prostrated say time will come where they go lie upside down. Then that has not been known will be made known. Now so in take talk more. So in saying they miss MKO Abiola, saying they miss the Baba well. He said na the man of the people. He said the man dey waka street, no problem. Say the man dey waka street. He dey waka street without any body guide. Say they carry them dey waka. I think they go in home because na man of the people. Na so he take talk more. But na get something where they inside. The thing where they inside, where they even then themselves no be say God don't talk and say, there is time for everything. Say this life they waka, if they bad they go. Na so it take talk. Yes, so it can't talk say. Na so Bible take talk and talk say as we dey see this life too, say the world say go dey bad, the sin of this time is changing, the sin of the system is changing. E come talk say na so bad thing go dey increase, na so bad thing go dey increase until God go come by himself, come reset this life, come reset this world, come reset am, come turn am as paradise as him bin get the intention to do am before Adam and Eve come gwabaru everything. So my country people, na so we take see am o. If you never subscribe to this channel, my country people, subscribe and